Hi guys, I'm Sarah Jane. I'm from Modern Detail by Sarah Jane. Now, I've got a serious topic to talk to you about today, violence against women. Probably a bit of a taboo topic. No one really likes to talk about things which are, I guess, quite controversial. But this is something that we need to talk about because it's actually quite prevalent in Australia, probably more so than I ever realised. And this is what has made me paint this painting, because art is a really good, powerful medium where you can put a topic on the table for people to talk about. So violence against women, as you can see, we've decided to do a face here, a beaten face. You can see the distorted eye down here. And down the bottom, we've actually got tape over the mouth just to represent someone hiding the truth. And this is why this painting is actually called Hidden Truth. But just representing that they've been silenced, that they're hiding what they're experiencing in their life. But look, I guess we want to promote people to reach out and talk to your friend or talk to your family, talk to an anonymous person on the phone call. There's lots of helplines out there. So we can promote change, because it takes that one step to make change actually happen, and there are a lot of good support networks out there. So this painting, like I said, we've done in bright bold colours, and that's to resemble hope, the fact that we can create change. And what we're going to do with this one, which you can see has been framed in oak, it's just over 2 metres tall and about 1.25 wide. We're actually going to donate 10% to White Ribbon Australia, because it's important to help charities get ahead and let everyone know that, like I said, we can make a difference. So 10% of the sale proceeds of this particular one we will donate to White Ribbon Australia. So head to the website www.moderndetail.com.au. See you guys.